Hello everyone, I am Swara, world's first AI anchor in the fashion, gems and jewelry industry by Swar Media Network. As you know, Akshaya Tritiya is round the corner. Retailers want to fill up their jewelry stocks and be prepared for the festival. And what better place to come and visit than Hamara Apna Show, GJS April edition. The 7th edition of Hamara Apna Show is perfectly scheduled before Akshaya Tritiya from 4th of April to 7th of April 2025 at Geo World Convention Center, Mumbai. Today, to discuss about the 7th edition of GJS Hamara Apna Show, we have with us Mr. Hitanshu Agrawal, partner, Alankar Jewellers, Jabalpur. Good evening, Hitanshu ji. It's a pleasure to have you here at our talk show. How are you doing today?
Hi Swara, thank you for having me. I am great. Looking forward to the show.
So Hitanshu ji, since GJS is just round the corner and it is rightly scheduled before Akshaya Tritiya, what are your key expectations from GJS and what are your plans for the show?
Primarily, there are two. One is we are looking forward to seeing innovations in terms of weight. Having said that, I understand that there cannot be beyond certain limits. So we're also trying to see how vendors will come up with 18 karat jewelry, which is more acceptable to the traditional 22 karat buyers. So that would be a big thing that we are looking forward to.
Hitanshu ji, as we know about the increase in the gold prices and the shifting economic conditions and evolving consumer preferences, how do you anticipate buyer sentiment? And what kind of jewelry will you be focusing at the GJS April edition?
I am 100% anticipating that there would be new areas silver manufacturers have innovated. I am anticipating more palatable 18 karat jewelry for traditional buyers. This is what I anticipate for the show, and what I'm seeing at my store is that there's a huge chunk of customer who are now readily buying silver jewelry, heavy silver jewelry, antique silver jewelry. Plus, I am also seeing that for 22 karat traditional buyers, bridal buyers with a budget, now they are starting to face problem because the budgets that they have and the kind of jewelry that they were expecting in those budgets is now very distant. So that is the kind of things that I'm seeing at the store. So I'm looking forward to the show to answer these things.
Now talking about silver. Silver jewelry is witnessing a surge in demand due to its affordability, versatility and evolving design aesthetics. How do you perceive the significance of the GJS Silver Pavilion as a dedicated platform for the silver segment?
I look 100% forward to the silver pavilion as I am seeing a growth in the demand of silver jewelry at my store. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
Now, Hitanshu ji, would you like to give a message for the jewelers who will be showcasing their creations at the GJS April edition?
Yeah, so just for the exhibitors, listen to all the bites that retailers are giving, because you will definitely get an insight on what the industry requires, and if you answer that, there's a win-win for both of us.
Thank you so much, Hitanshu ji. With this, we come to an end of this interactive session. It was lovely talking to you, Hitanshu ji. Ladies and gentlemen, Hamara Apna Show, GJS April edition 2025 is scheduled from 4th of April to 7th of April at Geo World Convention Center, Mumbai. Do not miss the chance to witness the exquisite designs from over 400 exhibitors and be one of the visitors from the 20,000 plus expected visitors at Hamara Apna Show. Thank you so much for listening to our talk show. See you at GJS Hamara Apna Show. Until then, take care. God bless.